everybody, it's Robbie, and I'm back again with another one today. Today we have a client with a Smith & Wesson Bodyguard 5-shot revolver. Here she goes. It's a hammerless revolver with an ambidextrous revolver release. And it's a nice little convenient snub nose 357. I do need to let her know to replace her ammo, to start rotating it, and to use some hollow points. We have some, looks like lead-based full metal jackets. Okay, that's perfectly fine, but that's it. So she reports that it's been a while. So we'll be using some Remington Rem oil today. We'll be using some mil-spec military grade CLP for the deep clean. And it doesn't look like it today, but for your rough and tough jobs, we got some WD-40. Links in the description. I don't know what a board brush is. We have a pistol board brush for a 9mm, 357, 380, and 38 special. Quick pickup from Walmart, probably $10. For those who are interested in learning how to clean your firearm, we do offer cleaning classes, Drew and I. They're pretty affordable in my opinion, or you can just pay us about the same price to get it cleaned every time. So we're going to start with the CLP. You have to be careful because this does have the crimson trace built in from the factory, but we're going to hit it with the CLP. And you just want to get a nice liberal coating. It's not much to hit on a revolver. Some of it is just for the look of it. But as you see, we have it laid down on a paper towel because it can be messy with the lube. Some people use gloves. I don't. Unless it's a real tough job, like I said, and then we have to break out the WD-40 and an actual stripper. But the CLP has a stripper built in. And while I'm letting all the moving parts soak, I'm cleaning off the body, shining it up. She said it's been a while since it's been clean, but it looks like to me it's pretty clean. So I have to let her know that too when I see her. Just remember, you're always going to keep your finger away from the trigger. And you're also, while you're cleaning, going to keep your ammo in a separate room while you're cleaning the gun. This is the time when reportedly, most negligent shootings happen, is when someone's cleaning the firearm and they hit someone in the other room. So instead of hitting someone in the other room, we are going to be leaving our ammo in the other room. And with revolvers, when you hit the bore brush on the actual barrel, you want to get the bore brush through all of the cylinders on the wheel as well, on the revolver. Good thing I wasn't talking then. Yeah, she's a little dirty. Not too bad, though. If you don't take your gun to the range, it's not that dirty, huh? So CLP cleans, protects, and lubricates. That's where the clean, lubricates, and protects. That's where the CLP comes from. This ambidextrous wheel release is a beautiful thing, especially with this not cleaning a revolver in a while. It definitely helps you out, helps a brother out. And then we start with the weight. I personally like to pull it out towards the out position. Be careful of the bore brush because you do have those brass bristles, and a couple pulls through are good enough. Take the weighted part, put it through, and pull the brush. And it brushes and wipes. You're good to go. And like I said, simple. We hold classes for this for about the same price that we charge to do the work. It's just reminding everybody. The class is a little bit more in detail, just reminding everybody to keep gun safety in mind. I can answer any questions if you have during that time in class. I mean, I'm always happy to answer questions outside of class as well, but that's it. She's all done. Just to wipe off the extra lube. And then what we'll do is we'll take the Rem oil, which is my absolute favorite, not sponsored. CLP, Rem oil, Walmart do not sponsor our videos, but they're what I like. If you were to ask Drew, he always recommends in classes that you use gun lube. It's a personal preference, and it doesn't matter as long as it keeps your firearm safe and lubricated and clean. Revolvers, easy to maintain, easy to keep, easier to shoot. Just all around fun. M&P Smith & Wesson Bodyguard 2.0 357 snub nose with the built-in factory place crimson trace. That's all she wrote, guys.